Oh, hopefully that starts recording soon. Let's have a look. We're good. Okay. Hello, everybody. My name is John Samuel, and I work for Workspot. Workspot do cloud desktops, including in Google Cloud Platform. So about a week ago, I posted a little demonstration of files being copied. So I thought I'd do another one. This is my cloud desktop. It's got the standard Windows 10 backdrop. So if I open up here and go and show the system, for instance, I'll show you which version of Windows 10 I'm using. I'm using Windows 10 Enterprise 2004. I tend to be a little bit behind on releases, just because I can be. This cloud desktop is in the UK. It's on GCP. So it says on the GCP website, London. So I guess it's not right in the center of London somewhere. It must be in the vicinity. So I'm getting 12 milliseconds latency from me to that cloud desktop. I'm about 70 miles from London or so. I live down near Winchester in England, so not a great distance from this cloud desktop. But one of the things we get a lot of questions about with cloud desktops is about files. Now, a lot of the questions are like, what do we do with our files? Do the files have to go into cloud? Should they stay on premise? Should they go into the same region as the cloud desktop? Can they go into another region? So I thought I'd do this little video just to show you that it doesn't really make too much of a difference actually. And I'll explain a bit more about that as we go forward. But obviously having the files in cloud is going to help you with productivity. Let me demonstrate that. So if I come down to my file explorer, this is my C drive. If I come over to my documents, I've got a load of files, all different sizes. One's at 1.2 gigabytes, and this one's at nearly 3 gigabytes. And they're on my C drive. So you always get a C drive with the cloud desktop from Workspot. It's dedicated to you. You're not sharing this with anybody else. So productivity is going to give a predictable, consistent performance here. So what I've done for this demo is I've created a file server all the way over in Oregon. So here it is. This is my Z drive. There you go. So all the way over in Oregon, this file share is. This one, my one's near me. He's in the UK, and the file share is in Oregon. So probably about 6,000 miles. So let's copy this. If I copy this file from my C drive, and we paste it to the file share, we'll see the performance that we get. So boom, paste, and there you go. It's starting the copying, and it's going to give us a calculation. 1.2 gigabytes says about 20 seconds. So as you can see, it quickly got up to as fast as it can. It's pretty much flatlining at speed, down to 15 seconds, 10 seconds. You know, it's rocking along 5, and coming up towards the end now, and just finishing writing. Boom, finished. There you go. Took about 20 seconds or so to copy 25 seconds, something like that, to copy a 1.2 gigabyte file from the UK all the way over to Oregon. Really quick. That was really quite quick. Far quicker than I could possibly do on my my home physical broadband. Now, let me explain why. Let me open up a file, not a file explorer. Let me open up a browser. And if I go to fast.com, this is an internet speed test, and it's by Netflix. Okay. The reason why I like to use the Netflix one is because it's free of pop-ups. There's no adverts coming up. This is the download speed you're seeing. It's at 1.8 gigabits per second. That's an absolute incredible download speed. 1.9 it's settled out at. You know, it might have even gone higher if the timer, if Netflix hadn't timed out at that point. But what I want to show you more about is the upload speed. Here's the upload speed. I'm getting at the moment around about 600 megabits per second far greater than I could ever get at home. I wouldn't be able to get a 1.9 download speed at home, but I certainly wouldn't be able to get a 100 megabits upload speed at all. No, that's way beyond me. So that's going to help. It's going to help me on my putting down files, and it's going to help me on my saving of these files. So Workspot has a lot of customers that are using GPU workloads in the cloud. So we have a lot of SolidWorks, Autodesk Revits, Bentleys, Lumions, Schlumberger, Petral for the oil and gas industry. And a lot of these guys are using very big files. These projects that they're working on, these files can be many gigabytes in size. So being able to pull that down from a place it's saved, the 1.9 gigabit download link is going to be very quick. And then saving it back is also going to just be a matter of seconds. Now, my file share here is 6,000 miles away from me. So it would have been even quicker if I'd kept my file share in the UK. But for the purposes of this demo, I wanted to show you what it's like if I moved it somewhere else. So that takes into account the distance. If I minimize my cloud desktop and I come over to my physical machine, and I do the same fast test. My physical machine is this one with this red swirly background on it on the back. We can see that my download speed is 39 megabits per second. That's pretty good for my area. I could probably get a bit more if I wasn't using British Telecom. If I was using something like Virgin, I might get a better number there. But my upload speed is massively less. It's going to settle at about 6 or 7 megabits. There you go, 6.5 megabits. So download, if I was putting down a 1.2 gigabyte file, it would probably take about, 20 minutes, probably longer than that to pull it down. Saving it with a 6.5 megabit upload speed, it's probably going to take me the best part of 35, 40 minutes to save. So if I downloaded a file, a project, made a small change, and then made that save, I'm basically waiting an hour. Whereas if I'm using the cloud desktop, we're leveraging the pipeline within Google here, I'm going to be getting a far better productivity. Yeah, far faster. So let's try that again. Let's take a bigger file. Let's take the 1.5 gigabyte one. Let's do this. And saved. Didn't mean to be sending it a save like that as quick as that. No, I didn't do that save. What did I do there? Oh no, I've copied it to here, didn't I? Look, that was silly. There you show this is a live demo. Anyway, let's try that again. Let's right click on there, do a copy and save and paste. That was be a bit too quick. It was almost instant last time. Yeah, that's the local disk. And here we go. It's saving now 25 seconds. So a little bit slower, but then again, it's a little bit bigger, right? But it's traveling 6,000 miles. Really fast utilization of the networking speed. If I come down here and bring up my task manager, and we go over to the performance, you can see here it's pretty much maxing out about 500 megabits and staying fairly consistent at that. And there you go, it's finished. So pretty much before I can even get the task manager open, it gone finished really quick. So that's helping you with your productivity. You're able to download a file quickly, make a change, save it, even if it's a small change, save it, all within under a minute or two. Unlike my physical workstation, which I'd have to be waiting well over an hour. So hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. This cloud desktop is on Google. It's a fantastic cloud. It's really rockingly great networking. It really has. Far better than the other cloud platform, I think, that we're currently on as well. This is a really excellent environment. Anyway, guess that's everything I need to say on this. If you've got questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to post this now. Feel free to reach out to me if you've got questions or want to see more, and I will definitely reply. Excellent. Great. Cheers, guys. Well, I hope to see you all soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.